Indonesia. I'm Alexa, and we are from St. Angela Senior High School. Now we're gonna talk about the food crisis in Indonesia, especially in Bandung Regency, West Java.
Tapi ini tahun karena
The rain stopped in May this year. We haven't been able to plant anything since then. We need help from the government. We have to ration our food because the rice that we have is not enough to consume like on normal days.
Indonesia is well known as one of the major agricultural nations in the world because this country relied on the agricultural section to sustain the country's economy. However, Indonesia is currently being hit by a food crisis. The first factor is due to land transition, which the land was previously an agricultural land and rice fields is now being converted into land for housing construction. Consequence of population growth accompanying social and economic activities are increasing human needs, which impact on the increasing demand for land. The occurrence of urban sprawl, that is urban propagation outward physical appearance, as a consequence of the development of the region.
Based on the data that we got from the equatorial.com, the agricultural land has been reduced by 5,354.61 hectares, from 39,422.69 hectares to 34,068.35 hectares. Previously, quoted from the 2011 until 2031 Bandung City Spatial and Regional Planning, that from the results of M. Hillman study, in the 1968, the largest land use was rice field, reaching 3,340.81 hectares, or 41.2% of the area total of the Bandung City at that time. Then followed by land use for housing covering an area of 2,181.62 hectares, or 26.9%. Okay, so today we're gonna do some interview with one of the farmer in Soreang, Bu Imas. Selamat pagi, Bu.
Selamat pagi.
Based on the interview that we've done with one of the farmer in Soreang, Bu Imas, the land transition caused a lot of difficulties for a lot of farmers, including her. There's a lot of rice fields in Soreang that have been changed into a residential area and others. As an example, one of the rice fields that is originally has an area of 3 hectares is now fully used for other developments. If this kind of construction activities is still being done, then we, as an Indonesia citizen, will face a crisis of agricultural land in the future. We have a few solutions that might help to solve this issue. The first one is providing an education for the farmers so they can upgrade the productivity of their agricultural product. The second one is help them to distribute their product with a reasonable price in order to increase the prosperity level of the farmer here in Indonesia. And the last one is making an empowerment to the farmers throughout Indonesia, whether in the urban or rural areas.